Work hard, play harder, and protect what matters most. Family first. Hey, Matt Smith, a published author of a bestseller, Serial Dadpreneur. And on vacations like this, disconnecting is probably one of the biggest things you could do for your own psyche. But spending quality time with your family, that's what life is all about. All the other stuff out there is noise, trying to make money, trying to buy big boats, trying to buy big houses. Cool, but it's not what life is about. Make sure you protect what matters most. And that is my beautiful wife over there, my 3 beautiful children over there, and make sure they're having the time of their lives. And my mother-in-law, she's pretty beautiful and amazing as well. Protect what matters most. You only live once. Do crazy fun things with your kids, but ultimately, family first. Everything else is just noise. Write that down.